Well, moving now to some better news, and our newsmaker on India Decides at 9 o'clock tonight. Actor Shah Rukh Khan joins us just as he announces his new collaboration with Google and YouTube, the first time for the release of a Hindi film. And Shah Rukh Khan joins me now from Mumbai. Shah Rukh, thanks so much for joining us tonight. And tell me, Shah Rukh, how exactly is this tie-up going to work?
See, the YouTube channel, obviously we started, obviously all the promos and all the stuff that we're making for the film will be there first exclusively. Apart from that, we're doing some special stuff which will not be anywhere else, like we have the Google Gadget, which is very interesting. You know, it's kind of an interactive explanation of the film where guns come out and blasts happen, and it's a fun thing for kids and actually for everyone. Then we're planning to have lots of competition on YouTube and Google where you can send in your own trailer of Ravan, because I think we are now bereft of more ideas to make any more trailers. So we're taking the lazy and the easy way out, that guys, you please make the trailers. I mean, you know, the time is not far. The way we are working for Ravan, I have to tell them, make your own film and watch it now, please. We are really tired.
But Shah Rukh, do you ever feel, I mean, when you talk about all this Ravan and Google, YouTube, all this kind of bells and whistles before the release, do you ever feel nostalgia for the good old days? I mean, things are very different when you first came to Mumbai, where it was just about the movie, the role. Now it's all about live streaming, even the promos. Forget about the movie.
No, it's shocking. You know, when I was in Delhi, I think I'm one of the first few guys. My school had taught us how to use computers. So when I came to Mumbai, I was one of the few people who used to use a computer. And those were the days, I don't know if you still remember the sound, when you dialed in. Sound used to happen and used to get connected, and one word used to take hours. So the times have changed so much, and I was just telling everyone that, you know, we are living in this exciting time, like the invention of the wheel, where we are living in the exciting time of the digital world overtaking us. And one of the part is that this technology will have some really good things, but it will have some bad things also, like the YK2, and that's what Ravan is about. That, you know, Ravan is the bad thing which will come out of the virtual world, maybe like a virus, or you know, meanness will come out, and then goodness will have to come out of it, like Jeevan.
Right. But Shah Rukh, does it sometimes begin, when you're talking about what it's like now, does it sometimes become like all stars today are on a non-stop treadmill of promotion? For actors now, it's not at all about the films, it's the marketing, the promotion, which seems to be as important a component almost as the movie and the script and the content.
No, not at all. You know, the bottom line for an actor, Sonia, has always been, I'm at the core an actor. If I can't act, I stop breathing. That's the way I've been made, and I've been doing it for so many years. I don't know what life would be without acting. But what an actor needs is just a lot of people watching him. You put me in front of people, I love to perform. I even perform alone, and with a couple of people also, which does not make me kinky, but I like to perform. I like to do it for people. I want more people to watch I'm doing, and then hopefully appreciate it. If you don't have an audience, an actor is dead. There is no need to be an actor. Like, that's why, actually I was wrong. I was wearing dark glasses when I started this interview. But my favorite line to the world is, I don't wear dark glasses because I worked so hard so that people can recognize me. I'm not going to hide my face anymore. But I was wearing dark glasses, so that's kind of ironic. But beyond that, the idea is that more people who watch it, that's all an audience, that's all I require. So I've made a film. I've made it with a lot of love, which all films are. Ravan does not become any more special. I love all my films equally. But I've made a film. I just want a lot of people to have access to it, a lot of people to know there's a film like this, and being one of the, if it's okay to say, one of the kind of leading film persons from the Indian film industry in the last 15-20 years, I think it's my duty to take it to platforms where it has never been before, a Hindi film.
Shah Rukh, well, I mean, of course, this is what stars are doing nowadays, and you've taken it to a different level at the moment, but the person who really first started this was Aamir Khan with his whole marketing innovations for Ghajini. Any sense of competition there? Any tips, taking a leaf out of his book?
Me, no. I'm so full of myself, darling. I don't think about others. I'm a self-obsessed, drop-dead, gorgeous, good-looking, most multifaceted, talented actor in the history of mankind. So I don't think about others, and that is only the humble me. But jokes apart, no. When I started this film, when I went to my partners, Eros and T-Series and everyone, Google and YouTube and everyone, when I chatted with them, it wasn't about the monies, the kind of cost this film would entail. Nobody thought there would be a business return like that for a film like this, but they still believed in me. And I told them that, you know, I worked for 20 years. Do I deserve to do this if you guys come along? And they said, yes, of course you deserve to do this, Shah Rukh. Go ahead. We'll be your partners and go ahead and make this film. Live your dream. And, you know, we started it 5 years ago. And now suddenly 5 years later, I hear of these wonderful films with these wonderful actors. You have, I think, Bodyguard, you have Three Idiots, you have Singham, you have Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Golmaal. And these films have done business, which now actually encourage me a lot, which is like, I look at those partners and say, hey guys, maybe I'll live my dream and most probably you guys won't lose money. So it's very encouraging. I don't have a sense of competition in terms of monies. And I say this to everyone, it's very difficult to believe.
But Shah Rukh, of course, you are living your dream at the box office and hopefully Ra.One will do well. But tell me, perhaps you need a superhero, the help of G1 for your team, KKR.
Yeah, you know, somebody was asking me yesterday, you know, somebody was asking me, I need a super villain in my team. I think my team guys are very sweet and gentle and nice, so I have all gentle giants in my team. Gautam is so sweet, and they're all great talents, but they're all so sweet and kind. I like, remember in Chak De, I said कि हर team के अंदर एक गुंडा होता है, और वो गुंडा मैं हूँ. So I'm going to...
But Shah Rukh, I thought the Gunda perhaps in your team was Shoaib Akhtar.
No. He's you know, the other day he said something about me, so I was going to answer back, but the next day he told me मैं उसका बड़ा भाई हूँ. तो मैं डर गया, मैं confused हो गया, मैं schizophrenic हो गया उसके चक्कर के अंदर कि मैं उसको प्यार करूँ कि उसको इससे झगड़ा करूँ. But having said that, I think my team is going to do very well in the Champions League. You know, the Somerset guys are like a little bit of a curse. But we'll get through. I think we need to win a couple of matches and we'll be back. And next match I'm going to go there. And Gautam's back and Jacques Kallis is playing fantastic. Yusuf is hitting sixes. So we are going to win the Champions League T20 for sure.
Great. Well, Shah Rukh Khan, all the best for Ra.One and your role as G1 and for KKR as well. Thanks so much for joining me tonight at India Decides at 9.